This is going to be my very first batch of double hot chocolate this year. And I just had a little bit of a boil over, and I think I lost a good 60% of the freaking marshmallows. Go figure. Yeah, it happens. Yeah, we're gonna hold off on that one just for a couple of minutes there. You know that's way too hot. Howdy ho, friends. I just want to wish everybody a happy Thanksgiving, and thanks for being longtime friends of my channel. Another thing, I got so much positive response on my Bob update video. I just wanted to do a little update. My family members doing a little bit better. Hopefully things will work out. As far as the videos go, I'm not going to stop making them. They're just going to be a little bit more sporadic. I think I've got enough in holding right now to maybe make it all the way through December. We'll see how that goes. But the Wednesday videos are probably going to stop real soon. All right, everybody have a freaking awesome day. My plans are going to be sit here and enjoy that beautiful sunset while I drink this scalding hot double hot chocolate. Maybe, ooh, that's, you know you want to see it. Oh, yeah, that was a big mistake. See you guys in the next one. Yeah, that's got to cool down.